Well, it's been about 4 years since I did my last state of the collection. So here it goes. This is my Elgin. And what's really nice about this is the back. And when you pop it open, it's all hand engraved, everything. So that's my Elgin. Next is my Waltham. And this is really nice. Of course, you can unscrew the back. And you can see the movement, but no hand engraving. And on top of it, this is railroad grade. So to change the time, you need to open up this front panel, and here is the, if I can get it, lever to change the time. See the lever? So that's my Waltham. And this is my Ulysses Nardin. And to pop it off, you have to push the button here. This is 99% silver. And what's really nice is the back. There. And you pop the back off, if I can get it. There. It's mostly brass. And I guess this is my Leatherman tool. Screwdrivers, Phillips head, and a bunch of hexagonal drivers, Allen wrenches. And this is pretty nice. What it lets you do is put the watch in here and put your pocket watches in there, and it lets you wear it on your wrist. So that's it.